Hi friends, welcome to Swad Bahar. Today I'm going to share the recipe of Dalia Upma. Dalia is the broken wheat. The ingredients required for this are dalia. I have taken 1 cup of dalia and water. If you take 1 cup of dalia, you have to take double the quantity of water, that is 2 cups of water. Onion, potatoes, green peas, carrot, tomatoes, green chili, 2 red chilies, ginger finely chopped, jeera, salt, mustard seeds, turmeric powder, curry leaves and coriander. Oil. Let's start preparing now. First we need to take a pan, add oil to this. I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil gets heated, we need to add jeera, mustard seeds, finely chopped ginger, 2 red chilies, curry leaves. Now to this we need to add green peas. Let's cook this for a minute. Now to this we need to add onions, carrot. Mix all this well and cook for 2 minutes. Now to this we need to add green peas, potato. Mix this and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now to this we need to add tomatoes. Now to this we need to add salt, turmeric powder. Mix this well and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. When the vegetables are getting cooked, now we'll start heating the water. Now to this we need to add dalia. Mix this and cook this on a very low flame for another 2 to 3 minutes. The water is boiled. Now we need to add this boiling water to the dalia. Never add cold water because the upma becomes sticky. So always add hot water to the upma and mix. Now to this we need to add coriander. I have added half of the coriander, half I'll be using for garnishing. Mix this well. Now we'll cover this with a lid and cook on a very low flame for 2 to 3 minutes until the dalia gets cooked. Looks like this is ready. Let me take this to a serving plate. The very tasty Dalia Upma is now ready. You can serve this with pickle or curd. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Swad Bahar.